A USB port can be used to connect external devices to transfer data, deliver malware, and more. So, in order to enhance data security, many organizations may want to disable the USB ports on their company-owned PC or laptops. Here are some benefits for organizations to disable USB ports for their work devices. First, it can stop data theft. In corporate environments, sensitive data can be easily stolen through USB devices. Employees can simply copy critical files to a USB drive. Disabling USB ports can ensure the data is safe. Second, blocking USB access helps prevent malware infections that can occur through infected USB drives. Last, it can prevent unauthorized access to the devices and control device usage. So let's see how to disable USB ports. If you are managing multiple devices and want to disable USB ports on multiple devices in bulk, the MDM can be an effective way for you. Here I will show you how to disable USB ports with AirDroid Business MDM solution. First of all, open the AirDroid Business admin console and log into it. Then, you will need to enroll the devices that you want to manage. Navigate to the device section, click Device Enrollment and select Windows option. Now, you will see the deployment code. Copy this code and use this code to enroll the device. Now, navigate to the Policy and Kiosk section and create a policy file for your Windows devices. Locate to Sync and Transfer and Restriction. Disable the button to turn off the USB ports. Last, click Next to save this policy. And you can apply the policy to certain devices or groups. There you go. Now the USB port of the device is disabled. For more information, please visit our official website and have a free trial.